Or it could be the mulch. They put new mulch, so maybe that could work by now.
Hey guys, this is day 53 if I'm correct. Today is March 29th. So it looks like not much has been done since last week. So this is what is going on. Clayton hasn't, processed the form for the sewer connection, and I haven't heard back from Aqua. Aqua is going to be handling the water connection. So that's what's going on for now. However, I still love real estate investing, and I'll tell you why. Very low barrier to entry. You can do real estate investing if you have a lot of money or a little bit of money. Okay, so these ones were done. We saw them doing this last week. That's nice. So Tim, what do you think is going on here? This.
It's falling off?
Yeah. Or did they do that on purpose? Because I don't see it. There's nothing. Because here we have.
They haven't finished it yet.
Yeah, because the staircase is coming here. So let's keep on looking. What? What's that?
What?
Like tar or an animal?
Like tar.
Yeah, leave it. Don't let it stick on your shoe. Okay, this was part of the roofing, isn't it? Tim?
Yeah.
Did you bring the padlock? No. At all? You forgot it at all? Or you made up your mind not to give me? Okay.
Let's find it outdoor.
Okay, I can.
And she's on the key?
Eh? Oh, you mean if I forget the code?
Yeah.
Why would I forget the code? Yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing siding dirty before you even move in. I just hope it can be cleaned. Okay, so not much. I'm really disappointed about this siding, Sha. Was this here before?
Not there.
Actually, I think probably some things are going on inside. Yeah, they finished designing. They finished the up. This wasn't done before.
They didn't finish this wraparound. They didn't fix what we told them about.
Yeah, they're going to do that. Definitely, they have to.
This is what the attic.
Yeah, we saw them doing this, but they've not screwed it. Oh, maybe that's it. Okay. let's go and check the. As I was saying, real estate investing is very good because you can get in at any level, small level, big level, conglomerate level. Everybody can do something. Just have to find out, okay, what can I afford, and work at it. So real estate is investing. You really, and another good thing is it connects generations. For example, parents can have time together with their children, and all of them together will talk about their investments. For example, I'm here with my son. So teenagers, young adults, retirees, baby boomers, everyone can connect while discussing real estate deals. So this line goes from here, so straight there, and then from here down there. So yeah, we have to have a fence. Okay, open it and let's see what's left. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, there's still a lot. So what I think I can do is call the junk people. There's actually a bed here. Maybe I shouldn't be too hasty to throw away anything, have it?
Make sure you recall brother rooming.
Yeah, but I don't want him to just come pick some things, and maybe I should just call these trash people. Just come take everything.
$700? $700.
You think I have to pay them, or they have to pay me?
Township is gonna be for free. We have to go out to the street.
What do you think is inside this job box?
Who knows? It might be.
Yeah, it's better to just get them to pack everything.
Yeah, you're not paying them $700.
What makes you think it's that much?
That's what we paid for them to defend.
But these are good things.
They sell it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they're going to make more money.
Yeah.
And then I pay them 700.
Yes.
No, I'll look for somebody who.
Yes.
Because these are good things. They can make thousands of dollars.
Yeah. How would they pay you to come pick up your trash that you don't want?
Yeah. Because they'll make money from it.
Sell on the Facebook marketplace.
Saying I'm doing
Just
shed
leave-
sale.
Just leave it. Let's leave it, and then we get the money to sell it or put it up for sale.
Okay. Because some of these things you might end up. Because who doesn't need shovel?
You can keep the shovel.
Now, are these tables?
Yes.
So where are the stand for the table?
Tabletops. Who knows?
Because you can use it for let's say you have an outside event. Oh, it actually has the legs.
Okay, good.
Okay, let me not be too hasty. Because I might have an event and I'll just put it out and then bring it back in. Okay. So we won't make any decision yet. What's this engine oil? So all we need now is a generator. Or do you see a generator? Because what I was thinking was to put a carpet, linoleum on top of it, so that it looks neat.
That was the mindset, you don't put a new patch
On an old thing.
You
Okay.
New one,
So I should just remove the whole shed.
But that's expensive.
But it's going to cost money.
It costs money, you know. Of course, I would be in favor of building a new shed.
Yeah, but if you spend like 1,000 to remove it, and then 2,000 to put a new one, it's possible. Or the people who make the new shed might volunteer to take the old one away with the contents. Okay, guys. So this is what I inherited with the lots that I bought. And tip, so if you want to learn about real estate, there's a link in the description to my Facebook group. And watch more videos on different types of real estate investing. And yeah. So today